Assalamu alaikum friends, what's going on? Hope that you all are fine. Welcome you all to my channel, and today I am back with my new video. I hope that you will like this video also. So without wasting time, let's start. Nowadays most of us are in stress of our phone's charging time, and we all wanted a faster charge. Because we all have to do a lot of work on our androids, and when we see our phone uncharged we feel very disappointed and annoying. So how to overcome this stress, I am giving you some tips and tricks which you can follow and get a faster charge. You can increase your phone's charging speed up to 50% by following these easy tips and tricks. The less your phone is trying to do while it's charging, the more quickly it will recharge. Airplane mode blocks any wireless radios on your device, reducing your phone's capabilities and therefore stopping it from doing so much. You can get a faster charge. To enable this mode, just simply scroll down this notification pane and simply click on this flight mode option, and this is enabled. Turning your phone off will completely allow it to recharge even faster than putting in airplane mode. You might miss out on a few notifications while it is off, but you can get a faster charge by doing this. Power saving mode extends the battery life of your device by disabling features and limiting the CPU usage of your device. You can enable this mode when you are not using your device. This is also a good trick to improve your charging speed. To enable this, simply go to your phone setting, and in some Androids there is the option of battery, but in this there is no option. So I will click on device care. Here you can see, and now here I can see battery option. I will click on it, and here I will click on power mode. You can see some options. It's up to you which option you choose, and after choosing, simply enable this. Now I don't want to enable, so I will not enable this. What if you are charging your phone by laptop or any other device? If you really want to increase your phone's charging speed, use a wall socket because it provides a good voltage of electricity. If these tricks are harder to follow but you really want to increase your phone's charging speed, just do one thing: that while charging your phone, completely turn off your phone's volume. And keep in mind to turn off the vibration also, because this is a huge battery seeker. We all feels very pleasant when we see the beauty outside from our window. But what if you're charging your phone placing directly in front of the window? Don't do that again, because your phone can get overheated by the sun rays and it can affect your phone's battery. Try to keep your phone as much cool, so charge your phone at room temperature. Every mobile phone has its original charger, which is best to charge your phone with, but most of the people lost their original charger and uses an ordinary charger, which is very slow and can cause your phone to burst. So if you don't have original one, at least use a good quality one. Most of us uses our phone when it is on charging, especially when we are doing our work and our phone's battery gets empty. We places our phone on charging and again starts doing our work. But this is not good, as it affects your phone's battery time, and also the rays coming out of a mobile phone harms yourself. So try to avoid this big mistake. If you want your phone to charge faster, clean your phone's charging port after several days with the help of cotton swab or any toothpick, as it completely allows current to flow through it and you can get a faster charge. We all feels very comfortable when we see our phone fully charged, but don't do this because overcharging of your phone affects the battery time and your phone will get tired, so its response will get slower. If you have a habit of charging your phone overnight, stop doing from now as your phone can blast at the midnight by overcharging. Viewers, hope that this video was helpful for you. If you want some more tips and tricks or technology related videos, subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will receive all the notifications of my uploads. So see you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.